What's up, guys? This is the Vickery Beast, and this is my tutorial on vibration bass. So, first of all, as you may or may not have already noticed, I got a new background. I think it looks super, super cool. I took these super cheap acoustic panels and cut them up so that they would fit perfectly back there, and they do. I also put ones all around the room and took them from that wall over there, just removed them and stapled them up there and cut them with scissors. So yeah, I'm thinking of painting that wall back there too and doing like kind of a crackly design, like spider web design. So I think that will be pretty cool. I'm also working on another project. It's like a DIY project that I will make a video about when I finish, but I don't have it finished right now. So, vibration bass. This is actually pretty simple. It's mostly just practicing getting it cleaner. I have a lot of plosives on this mic. If you're gonna get the G-Track Pro, you're definitely also gonna need a pop filter. Alright, so with that problem fixed, the way you want to learn to do vibration bass is pretty much, if you already can do throat bass, just do throat bass lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower until you just can't do it anymore, and it will start to rattle, sound like distorted, and it just stays at the same level. That level is vibration bass, just probably, if it's your first time, very unclean vibration bass. And you may have actually learned vibration bass when you were learning throat bass. So just take it, take your throat bass, go along with me, down, down. You can already start to hear the rattle. So those are all levels of vibration bass. So it goes from ooh to ooh, ooh. Mine still isn't perfectly clean, but I only have been using vibration bass for probably 2 months. I think this is a really, really sick sound, and it's starting to become popular in the community. Vibration bass. So yeah. So anyways, that was my tutorial on vibration bass. If you have any further questions or things that I didn't reach, comment down below, and I'll try to answer those questions in the comments. Just try to go lower and lower until you can't go anymore, and work on getting that vibration like the rattle. So I'll see you guys.